horrible. There's still an emptiness because we were married 26 years.
Eric Garner's widow is still in pain nearly 4 years after his death.
Don't touch me, please. Not touch me.
Eric Garner died at the age of 43. His last moments alive were recorded on cell phone video. He yelled,
"I can't breathe. I can't breathe."
as he was put in a police chokehold by Officer Daniel Pantaleo of the New York Police Department. Pantaleo confronted Garner for allegedly selling loose cigarettes, which is illegal in New York City. Garner's death sparked nationwide protests. The officer responsible for killing him never went to trial.
He should have been prosecuted and sentenced to life in prison.
But a new docudrama is showing what could have happened if the case was tried in front of a jury.
Do you need some time?
Garner's wife testifies in the film American Trial. The mock trial features a judge, a jury, real-life witnesses, and testimony from medical experts.
Hearing that his chest and his neck was crushed. Nobody cared that he was screaming. They don't even treat dogs like that.
James Knight was Eric Garner's friend for the last 7 years of his life.
Well, see, me and him, we used to go lunchtime. Our thing was Popeyes.
He was there when Garner took his last gasp for air and jumped at the chance to be part of the docudrama and testified to highlight what he calls injustices by law enforcement.
I would love to carry on a message that would probably last for, that would make a change. If it makes a change, fantastic.
Roy Messinger is a director of American Trial. He's been working on the project for the last few years.
It started in my head right on the day that the grand jury decided not to prosecute.
Former prosecutors play the role of real prosecutors in the mock trial. They say they hope it gives the public an accurate account of what happened to Garner.
Look, I think if you're approaching this project objectively, the idea is not to be a heated partisan on either side.
Daniel Pantaleo, the NYPD officer responsible for Garner's death, was portrayed by an actor. Some real-life witnesses to Garner's death did not testify in the mock trial due to an ongoing criminal investigation by the Department of Justice.
I've given up all hope, all faith in the Department of Justice.
Garner's death was ruled a homicide. Although Officer Pantaleo was never indicted, the city agreed to pay a $6 million civil settlement to the Garner family. But Garner's daughter says that was never enough.
Money is not justice, and I'd rather have my father than the money.
But you kill a man in cold blood, and you still living, you still breathing, and I have nothing but memory.